Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and on this channel we talk about all things McCall. I've said it before and I'll say it again, when people are searching for property in McCall, they're not always just looking in only McCall, they're comparing us with other towns. So today we're going to talk about why McCall is better than Park City, Utah. So to start, McCall, Idaho is a lot smaller ski town than Park City. We don't have heated chairlifts, but the lines are shorter and the lift prices are less. In McCall, Idaho, we have lake and river activities in the same town as the skiing and mountain biking, whereas Park City, Utah doesn't have that. So you could play on the Payette River or play in the Payette Lake, and there's not a large lake that's right near Park City. They have some reservoirs just on the outskirts, but that's really how McCall is different. McCall, Idaho is a lot more laid back than Park City. When you walk into a restaurant in Park City, everybody's dressed up, they've got business suits on, and in McCall, it's very casual. You can just wear your ski suits or just comfortable casual clothes. You don't have to get dressed up to go out to dinner. From a real estate standpoint, in McCall, the price per square foot for houses is less than in Park City. Park City is a lot more expensive and it really returns the same amount of rental revenue. McCall stays rented year-round, similar to Park City, but our costs are a lot less to enter the market. Currently in McCall, we have a lot less traffic than Park City, and you have your space. The houses here have larger lots with mature landscaping that provides a lot of privacy, and you don't really get that in Park City. Everybody's kind of right on top of each other. So that's another great thing about McCall if you're comparing the two different areas. So if you're out shopping for rental property and you're comparing Park City and McCall, Idaho, you might watch this video and these 6 reasons could convince you that McCall is better. If you've liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more information about McCall, Idaho.